Hey today, how are you? Thank you so much for joining. Welcome to the replay and welcome to my fake live. It is a fake live today. I'm not really live, but that doesn't mean you can't ask questions. I will look for your comments and I will answer in the comments, but stay with me because we have an amazingly awesome, beautiful home decor piece to share with you today with super neutral, warm, beautiful colors that you're gonna love. Love, 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 especially if you love those colors back there, because that's what we're going to do. We're not making that, but we're using those colors. So let me pop you down to my table where you can see. We are using this gorgeous drawer front piece, okay? So this is a nice wooden, solid wood drawer front, and it is available in my online shop. And I'm going to use this, this fun transfer called Just Like This. Love grows best in little houses just like this. So I'm going to cut this apart. As you can see, we have these little cut lines. And remember this transfer because these little flourishes here, the little sprigs of foliage, these are really, really useful in other pieces. Any words you may need like a little just twist of something, and you could be using these in place of, you know, or in addition to. So I'm just gonna number these and label the back so that when I go to put the backer on, I know what goes with what, because those are similar sizes. All right, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and wax this nice wooden surface with our surface wax. Our surface wax is an awesome, clear, unscented wax that just goes on really smoothly. It's awesome. You just kind of do circular motions, and then you just want to make sure there's no extra on there. Perfect, perfect. We're gonna leave our drawer front white today. Sometimes I like to color it or stain it or do other things, but today we're gonna leave it white because I really want my colors to show up. And we're gonna use some of my favorite neutrals today. When you're doing home decor, honestly, neutrals are key, right? Especially if you have different color patterns in different places in your home. You kind of want to go with this like nice soft neutral palette that we're going to use today. Now I am going to bring this almost all the way to the left hand side. Okay, and I'm just going to chalk the word love, and we're going to do that in our very neutral, beautiful ocean mist color. This is the best combination of a grayish blue, right? Like a gray and blue, a grue color. This is a grue color. It's a beautiful grayish blue tinted piece. It's just so neutral and easy to put anywhere, no matter what your color scheme. But for sure, this is going to be beautiful in my living room. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and drop a little chalk on there, and I'm going to use my angled squeegee. I'm going to use this beveled edge here to kind of pick up and move this chalk across there. Make sure it's smoothed out. I'm going to put all that excess back into the container like that. And I'm going to do that one more time. Pick up all the excess, put it back into the container. There we go. Awesome. It looks beautiful. All right. So now I'm going to pick this up and I'm going to set it down here for a minute. This looks amazing. I need to dry it. It is off to one side. Yes, it is. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back with this and I'm going to layer my words on here. Let me make sure I'm centered. Okay, and we're going to do these in Storm. There is no better neutral color, I'm telling you, in our palette other than Storm. I love this beautiful gray color. I'm going to use one of our mini squeegees for this one. And I'm just going to spread this chalk paste out. So we've got two colors here. And the embellishing that I do for this is, you know, it was totally planned out. I found some really great neutrals, throwing in a little bit of this light blue, which I think you're gonna love when I am done. Now let me reveal. Look at that. So very, very pretty. And just so simple, you guys, so simple. Less is more a lot of the time. So I didn't even use the little flourishes. If I wanted to use a bigger surface, I certainly could have used a flourish. Now let's dry this because, of course, you know me, we're not done yet. We need to do some embellishing. I'm going to move this up so you can get a better look at it. Pop this into my water and make sure all of that is on here. Good. This transfer, just like this, is available on my website right now. So you can grab, if you need a little chalk paste, you can grab these colors, you can grab anything you need. So my goal is to kind of hit this right there. And I'm going to go ahead and make my not really making a knot, but I want it to be tight. All right, and as I put my finger there, I'm going to layer some really pretty pieces of ribbon. I have like a little polka dotted one with a little bit of that blue color, a little bit of the neutral, a lighter neutral with some fringed edges. I fringed those. A little bit more of that blue color and some off-white. And I'm going to scrunch it up. And as I scrunch it up, I'm going to tie this. I'm going to do a double knot. Sorry, you guys couldn't see all of it. I'm going to do a double knot. Here's my first knot. And I'm going to open that up. Open it up a bit. Pull things out so that they're a little bit. There we go. And I'm going to do that double knot like I said. And I want these to stay within that. There you go. So it looks like it's completely kind of blended in here, right? There. So we have this cute little faux bow, right? It's not a real bow. I'm trying to lift this up. Cute little faux bow. Kind of in the middle. And let's go ahead and do this real quick. If you have not checked out our amazing Chalk Couture, it is a subscription program and it's our preferred customer program. This month you get free shipping on everything. Just check it out. Type club in the comments. If you are brand new and have yet to check out my customer VIP group, it's free. Type add me in the comments and I will get you that link so you can join the group for insider information, inspiration, and ideas. It's awesome. And then finally, if you're interested in becoming a Chalk Couture designer, what I would love is for you to type team in the comments and I will get you a link to my awesome opportunity group so you can check out how to become a designer, what it takes, all the ins and outs and ups and downs. Okay, now let's check out the project. It's a big one. Isn't it cute? Love. I love it. So there you have it. Sweet, easy. If you want, like as I'm looking at it, I'm like, oh, I think I want to like lower this, put it down here. You could move it to do a different thing like that. Check it out. Love grows best in little houses just like this. So 5-minute project, so easy. You can do it too. I keep covering my face. You can do it just like I can. I'm so glad you checked out my project today. Have fun. I'm still on vacation and I will see you soon. I will be back live Thursday. But until then, check out all my videos that are airing every day while I'm gone. Thank you guys so much. Bye.